So, have you ever purchased a handbag and once you unboxed that handbag, you were so excited about it, but then you carried it and you had some mixed feelings about it? Well, we're going to do a what's in my bag, and I'm going to talk to you a little bit about how I felt about carrying this Coach Lana 19. Hi, this is Mrs. DLC. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I hope you decide to subscribe. Those of you who are subscribers, thank you for coming back. I appreciate you. So let's get started. So this is the Lana 19. I have a posted video where I did an unboxing going through the Lana. This bag is a new size for me. I'm really challenging myself to carry smaller bags to incorporate them in my collection. So the Coach Lana is one that I have purchased and I've carried her, and we're going to talk a little bit about that. All right, so right off the top, let's just start with the exterior. I did like that this small version, there's not a snap or anything that closes it, so it allowed me to carry more. And with the ring on the side here, I was able to attach my little pouch here, which is a kiwi fruit pouch. And in here, I had my um, AirPods. Let's see. They just pop out real quick here. And stick those back in for a second here. Then also, I carried this little keychain, which I absolutely love her. And on here, I just had some keys, and those are just keys to like my storage unit. And on the opposite side of this, I carried my sunnies. Now, I normally have these in a sunglass case, but when I'm in and out of the store so often, I'm just putting them back in the case, pulling them on, putting them back in the case. But with this Lana, it allowed me, and I always have you guys seen these are my Coach sunglasses. This little cinched area where there looks like a pleat where the two sections divide allowed for this to be such a tight fit that it didn't move once I put my sunglasses there. So I absolutely love that. That was perfect for me. So that's definitely a plus. And the inside, this is how I carry her. So I'm going to show you. You can see what that looks like on the inside. And I'm going to start taking out what I carried. So one is my Fenty lip gloss. Have that in here. I also had my Louis Vuitton key pouch in here. I carried my little pouch that I carry my tissues in. So those were in here. Let's stand it up, lay that down just a bit. So I'm just emptying the back area. And also in this back area, I had a little manicure set just with my tweezers and all the little manicure pieces in there. So that empty the back, and I'm going to go to the middle where there's a magnetic pouch. Oops, didn't want to show you that, but this is my card holder. These are my most used cards when I'm out. So I had that in there. And now I'm going to the back where I had a little tube of lotion here. I also had a hand sanitizer. I had my essential wallet. This is the one with the detachable card holder. And I was able to put some cards in here. These are the cards that I don't use as often. And I like this wallet because I was able to carry some bills in here too. Yeah, this is the small wallet. This I ordered from uh ordered this from Coach. I think I ordered this from Amazon. Yes, I ordered this one from Amazon, the Coach wallet from Amazon. And let's see, I think that is all I have in there. So those are all the things I carry in this pouch. And I mostly carried her top handle, and then I used a chain. Let's see, let me turn it around this way. Used a chain for the shoulder carry, and that worked out very well. Now I can carry it also crossbody, but for some reason I didn't like the crossbody feel of the bag. Maybe the chain isn't quite long enough and it's not adjustable, of course. But overall, I am pleased. I was able to just carry my essentials in here and it worked out very well for me. I love this bag so much that I am contemplating getting another color. But the color on this is ash and I love this Lana 19. So if you are trying to decide if you want the 19 or not, it does fit quite a bit in the 19 and it's a really cute bag. So I do like it. And that says a lot for someone who carries big bags most of the time. If you have any other questions on this bag or any other bag that I have done a video on, please let me know. But for now, I am signing out and we will talk to you later. Thank you.